In this video, we will be showing you how to add a wall accent with custom wainscoting. There are many styles of wainscoting and stylish patterns. First, start by creating your own design. We are using a board and batten pattern. To begin, remove the existing molding from the walls. Then, measure the length of the wall where both your base and top board will go. Next, install the baseboard by placing it firmly against the wall, then nail the board into the wall. If one of the boards doesn't fully cover the wall, measure the distance from the wall to the end of the installed board. Using the measurements, cut a spare board to fit, then install and nail board into place. Repeat the previous installation steps for the top board. Now it's time to install your first batten. Measure the height between the base and top boards to determine the batten height. Mark the measurements onto the batten, then cut to length. Place the first batten against the corner of the wall and then nail into place. To determine the measurement between battens, multiply by the number of battens you would like. Subtract this total from the width of the room in inches. Then divide this by the number of battens minus 1. This will equal the space between your verticals and the size of the spacer you should cut. Next, mark where your remaining battens will be in your design. We used a spacer to ensure the distance between battens met our desired length. Then repeat the previous steps for measuring, cutting, and installing the remaining battens. Once installed, fill in gaps and nail holes with caulk to give it a finished, uniform look. Lastly, add the finishing touch by painting the wall and board and batten your desired color. Enjoy your home's new wall accent.